this video, I'll explain why your Western Union refund is not showing in your bank and how to solve it. By the way, if you run a business, Western Union probably isn't the best option for you. But I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to fix the issue where your Western Union refund is not showing in your bank account, first open the Western Union app or website and log in to your account. Then go to your transaction history and locate the transfer that was refunded. Once you open the transaction details, check the refund status. If the status shows that the refund has been processed or completed, it usually means Western Union has already sent the money back to your bank, but the bank may still be processing it. In most cases, refunds can take a few business days to appear in your bank account, depending on your bank's processing time. Next, make sure you check the original payment method you used for the transfer. Refunds are usually sent back to the same card or bank account that was used to make the payment. Sometimes users check the wrong account or card, so confirm that you are reviewing the correct one. If the refund still doesn't appear after several business days, the next step is to contact your bank. Your bank may have the refund pending or still processing on their side. Provide them with the transaction details or refund confirmation from Western Union so they can locate the payment. You can also contact Western Union customer support if needed. Open your browser and search for Western Union customer service, then visit their official support page. From there, you can start a live chat with an agent or request help from a customer support representative who can check the refund status for you. Finally, always make sure your bank details and payment information were entered correctly when you made the transfer. Incorrect payment details can sometimes delay the refund process. Western Union is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Western Union offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.